Hi guys, it's Chris with MarketIntelligence.com, and I'd like to welcome you to another fantastic way on how you can make money online by uploading content. By content, I mean videos, files, anything, and you can get paid for it. And I'm going to explain how in a little bit. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, if this is your first video, to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can earn passive income from the comfort of your house every day, making income, making money very easily just by following this nice stuff. That is my #1 recommendation of the best free ways I'm showing you. And if you haven't already, it would be an honor to have you as a subscriber. So do go ahead and click, there you go, the subscribe button on the very right on this video, following along the video. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and show you this fantastic way I'm showing you guys. The website I'm talking today, which is free to register, free to use, and free to make money, which is the best way to do. No basic experience in it, guys. Very easy to use, and all the information about the website and anything you might need is listed on the link below this video. So the website I'm talking today is called Flippy. Flippy. It's a nice sound when you pronounce it. It's Flippy, and it's gonna be again located on the website below. So as you can see here, guys, Flippy is a file library. It's a digital content publishing platform that can help you monetize your music, videos, photos, ebooks, and files. Let me stop here because the most important words I want you to pay attention is monetize. That means you're gonna get paid for your content, and also it needs to be your own private content, guys. If you watch my videos a couple of days ago, you'll be able to see one site that I'm showing you where you can get free content, free PDF files, free ebooks, and so on, that you will be able to sell and use and give away, so you can put them here as well. So go back to my videos from a couple of days ago and check out this website that you're able to register again for free, and they give you the rights to use it, sell it, and so on. So when you are in Flippy, just make sure that all the content, the photos, the videos, it's yours. So let's say, for example, you might be doing modeling. So you'll be able to upload some photos from there, or you'll be able to do some creative photos. From the other day, I saw something very nice, which is catchy, from Coffee Max. So this guy was making a library of different Coffee Max photos, and he was posting there. He was going really well. Coffee is very popular, so people is always looking for nice content for this one. So let me continue, guys, how this works. Over here, how it works: upload files and start building your file library. I'm going to show you everything in a bit. Share content with friends and family, and join monetization program and get paid. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Once you go to the link for Flippy below, you can go ahead and create your account easy, free, either by using your Facebook account or by creating a new account by email with the old traditional method where you can receive an email, configure your account, and go from there. If in case you don't want to use a Facebook, I suggest go with the Facebook, because you're going to be able later on, once you have your content, to push and advertise your material through Facebook as well, which is going to be great marketing, more exposure, people will see it, and you get from there. So once you have the libraries in, guys, pretty much as you can see here, the FOT is called for file of the day. So you can see here from different users the different files you do. So I'll show you in a bit how to create your own library as well with stuff. And when you upload the content here, these are promoted for the file of the days. This is promoted, so here it will go from your content as well. It's rotating, or basing on the more views, it will high rank up to the file of the day. And let's say, for example, you see all these things, all these photos uploaded, and once people, let's say, for example, you click here, you're able to see the user who uploaded. You can like, share, or download, and based on these actions, you're gonna get paid when it's your content. So very important, as I told you, one important thing for you is to create a folder and start uploading. So how you can do, before we go there, I wanted to show you when it comes to questions, like very important questions, you can go to the frequently asked questions, which is located all the way down to the bottom, like here, in case you're looking on the menu. And I wanted to show you, just in case, a few questions. What is the size limit File size limit is set to 200 megabyte per file, and you have up to 5 gigabyte for 50 plus users, which is pretty decent, guys. 5 gigabyte is what most of the big sites giving you, so it's very good for a free account. If you go in well, you can upgrade, but I don't think you're gonna need it. What type of files extensions are available for upload? All file types and extensions supported, so you can upload music, you can upload videos, anything you do from your phone, photos, video clips, video clips and all these things. Everything can be done from an upload here. Ebooks, PDF, Excel, Word, you name it, you upload it. So if you have something that belongs to you and you have the rights, you can upload it and you can make money out of it. So later on, how long will Flippy store my file? We do not remove any user's file, so only if you close your case will go away, or your account, how to delete my accounts here, and you can go ahead and review this question so you have an idea on the details. Now, once you have your account, guys, once you're here, what I would like you to do to see how this works, you can start creating an account by using the upload. As you can see, this is my account, and let's say, for example, I want to create a new folder, and I'm gonna name it Supercars. So I'm gonna make a folder and I'm gonna put some pictures with the various supercars that I'm taking photos all around the world. Let's say, for example, I'm traveling or I see cars, supercars around. I make my own photos, so it's mine. This is one thing. Yeah, you can decide and you can do multiple themes. The more, the better, and so on. So this is various supercars as seen around the globe. Tags you want to see, the more tags you put, the more description and tags you put, is easier for the people to find you. So when people come here on the search on the top and they look for, let's say, for example, a supercar or a Ferrari and Porsche, they will be able to tag you and find the photos. So let's say here I'm gonna put supercars, Ferrari, Porsche, and what else? McLaren is part of the photos I have. Exotic cars, super fast cars, and so on. The more, the better. You can separate the keywords by comma, and here you have the option. If you want to keep your photos private just for you, you just click the private. If you want to have it public so you can make money and share with the rest of people, just keep it on public. Otherwise, you make it private. Easy enough, guys, so far. Yeah, you click the create and the folder is here. It's ready. As you can see, it's supercars. If you click here, you can see this is my major account and supercars I want to keep. Select files to upload. I'm gonna come to supercars and I'm gonna choose all the supercar photos that I have, and you can see that the pictures are here. You can see how they are loading the status, right? So the upload successful, and you can see now there is very nice tool here, guys. It says discoverability is 29%. It says, what is this? Pretty much as I told you, in order to be discovered, to be found, when somebody comes to here, to the main page, let me go and show you, and look for supercars, and hit enter, you want to be able to find, somebody will find your results here, yeah? So I want my pictures to be here when somebody types supercar. So that's what this means. And the reason to improve the discoverability of this one is to add description and tags. Let me show you how you done it. This is for a Ferrari supercar located in Singapore expedition. Ferrari real car, and then I go supercars are amazing, Just an example, yeah? So now we put tax, supercar. I want you to see how the status bar for this category increases, yeah? Supercar, Ferrari, red, luxury car. I'm just playing with the words here, yeah? Exotic cars, what else? Unique, fast cars. And guys, you got the idea. You play around until you reach, the more information you put this, the better. So you click save and you proceed to the next one. Once you click the save, you'll be able to see that you're getting a URL. This is a URL for this specific photo. So you're able to promote, as I told you later on, to Facebook, Twitter, Google, and Pinterest, and people will have access to it. So you give it a little bit more promotion on this one, which is fantastic because a lot of people are paying for nice photos, especially when it comes to items like this. So you do the same thing from here, and you go ahead and start uploading content. It's very easy, guys. And one last step I want to show you, which is one of the most important. You need to monetization your account. That's how you get paid. And in order to do this, once you click on the right side here of the menu, you're gonna need to submit your application to the admin so that they can see that revenue sharing program and start monetizing your valuable digital content like music, videos, and files. Get started by submitting your application, and they will check that the content is yours. Let's say, for example, I'm not going to make a picture of Angelina Jolie and post it there and start making money because it's violating the rights. So this is it, guys, how you get paid. Uploaded the content and you do it there. I'm gonna tell you again, I showed you a very nice video the other day on how you can find free content on different files, PDF files, ebooks, and so on different courses and the different themes. So you can get it and put it here and free with all the rights. So go back and check those videos that I uploaded a couple of days ago, and you can start making your own photos from anywhere from the things you do, from your phone, the videos on your phone. You can make materials, you can make tutorials and upload it here, and you kind of get paid. So one of the last important questions is how you get paid. You'll be able to get by PayPal accounts, Payoneer, and so on. And for this account, minimum payout to have the minimum amount for payout is 25 USD, and you go from there. If you put Pro account, which is more content, and you will be able to get even direct access and payment to your bank account, but the minimum there is 250 USD. So this is it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you today. Very nice way on how you can make money by just uploading content there. You upload it once, you put the information and taxes I show you, and you're gonna get paid out of the content and material you put. Very nice way, very easy way. All the thing you need to do is a computer and internet access and so on, and you can start doing it from there. Set it up once and that's it, guys. This is it. I hope you like the content of this video. If you haven't already, as I told you, you can click the link below to see my #1 recommendation on how you can actually make very good passive income every day, hundreds of dollars coming in from the comfort of your house, with proof, with video. Just click the link below in order to start. And if you haven't already, I would like to ask you to invite you to subscribe on my channel. It would be an honor to have you, so I can get your feedback and comments. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for the video today. I wish everybody an amazing day ahead. Start making some money and kick ass. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.